Good morning guys. Ito nga pala yung this is my last and final treatment about my radiotherapy. So ayan, it was yesterday guys. So, ngayon ko lang i-upload to and kinunan ko siya ng video while I'm doing my radiotherapy. So ganito guys yung situation ng yung mga aware dyan na hindi pa alam kung ano ba yung radiotherapy, ano ba talaga, ano ba yung radiotherapy, ano bang ginagawa doon sa loob ng machine. Yan guys, pinahiga na ako. Una guys is, of course, sasabihin mo kung sino ka, kasi kailangan na naka-record kasi ang nag-aano kasi niyan guys, yung aking doktora is nasa Sydney. So, naka-monitor ako habang tinitreatment ako ng dalawang nurse. Marami sila guys, everyday change sila ng everyday, iba-iba yung nurse ko. Dalawa sila, always lagi silang dalawa. So, ayan guys, yung ginagawa nila sa akin. Ayan. Sine-check muna nilang maigi yung measurement ng body ko. Kung measure ba yung okay ba doon, tama ba doon sa machine. Ayan, yung red na yan, hindi pa ako ready dyan. Yan, sine-check nila. All the measurements, everything. I have mold on my head. Doon ako nakahiga. Tapos, meron akong takip na white sa aking dibdib. And, ayan guys, tinataasan na tayo ng machine. Yan, meron din ako. Yun, nilalagay na yung aking monitoring. Yung, may wifi yun guys. Doon ko makikita yung aking breath. Yan. Nilagyan nila ng takip na yung dibdib ko. Nilagyan ng tape para hindi natanggal. Meron din ako sa tiyan guys, on my stomach. I got some block that connected to the wifi. In the monitor. So I will know the type of my breath. I need center of the green line. So ayan, mag-wait lang tayo guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung paano ba. Ayan. Tinetext na nila doon sa Sydney ko. Naka-monitor na. So ayan, yung machine ay nasa taas, yung white na yan. Hindi ko masyado maano yung phone ko kasi bawal guys. Inano ko lang yan para meron akong memories. So ayan, umiibo na yung machine guys. So ayan, check, ayan. Ganyan guys yung radiotherapy, nasusunog sa aking balat na patayin yung mga virus ng cancer. So ayun, nilagyan na. Ayun guys, nilagay na sa dibdib ko yung white na like fiberglass na may measure yan guys, kung anong measure na haba ng opera ko, ang aking mastectomy. Ganun din siya. Yun lang left breast ko guys ang inaano sa machine kasi yung right ko is alright. But ayun nga, nag-decide na ako na tanggalin na sa labot para pantay na guys. Mahirap guys, mahirap ang wala kang breast. Napakahirap. Ang hirap humanap ng damit. So, yung mga damit ko lahat, nung may breast pa ako is sisend ko na sa aking family sa Philippines. Bahala na sila. And ayan guys. So, ayan, iiwan na nila ako guys. Naka-ready na yan. Ayan. And sasabihin nila, mayroong microphone na sasabihin sa akin na deep breath and hold. So, i-hold mo ng 20 seconds. Kaya meron akong para yung wifi na parang small na connected sa machine. Na kapag huminga ako is yung machine na yun guys is mag-i-stop. So, this is amazing guys. If you breathe, the machine will be stopped. If you not breathe, the machine will keep going. Yeah, that's it. So, ayan guys, ganyan ang radiotherapy sa breast cancer. Hindi ko lang alam sa iba guys kung ganyan din ba. So, ayan, medyo matagal siya guys. Ayan. Kailangan 20 seconds kang hindi hihinga. Ayan, tapos na yung 20 seconds natin and magre-rest tayo for a while. Yeah, just finish the 20 seconds not breathing. And then you rest for a while. And then the nurse will tell me again, deep breath and hold. Yan. Yan guys, yan. So, I stop breathing for 20 seconds that time again. So, yan. That's it. And they will tell me that rest. And then they will fix that 96 point, I don't know, 34 I think. Sa machine, sa computer. Yung kita nyo yung computer on top. Yan ang mga computer guys. Dalawa yan. And mayroon dyan guys na nice music. So, kaya nag-ano ako, makaka-copyright tayo. Ayan, nag-start na naman ako ng don't breathe for 20 seconds. Stop breathing. Yan. So, kita nyo umiibo yung tummy ko. So, they told me that relax and breathe. So, ganyan kahirap guys everyday. Ayan, nag-start na naman tayo. So, ganyan kahirap guys. Everyday ako inside. Everyday I was there for 25 days travel. And then I was stuck there inside the machine, inside that room. I'm alone, cold. And then the nurse will come back after finish. Ayan. And then it's back again guys. It will be back again. There. So ganyan guys ang radiotherapy sa breast cancer. Sinusunog talaga yung mga cells na may cancer. So hopefully it will not come back. And if it come back, you know, that's the end of May. So hopefully ito na yung makakasave sa life ko. So yan guys, so nearly finish na tayo. And ang babait, all the nurses, all the staff, everything in the hospital, they all brilliant. They very, very nice people. They understanding everything. Yes, I'm so thankful. You know guys, sad to say, yan, finish na guys. Finish na ang ating radiotherapy. That's my last and final day of my radiotherapy. And I'm so happy with that. So, ayan guys, ganyan tayo. Ayun, meron akong, yung nasa likod, nangati pa ako dyan guys, nangati. Ang bait niyang lady na yan guys. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Ang bilis. In-express forward ko. Ayan. Ayan. They all very, very nice people guys. So, ayan yung machine guys. So, ayan. So, ayan. Lumalabas na tayo dyan. Punta na ako change na ako ng clothes. Kasi, naka-hospital gown ako. So, yung gumaan na yun. So, yan lang guys. And have a lovely day.